Here we got a 1956 Oldsmobile Starfire Convertible, Route 66, get your kicks. There you got the Olds engine. Guess back then they were a little bit different color. In the 60s they changed the color of the motor. Oldsmobile Rocket. And 324 cubic inch, 240 horsepower, jet away hydraulic transmission, power accessories, the top, power seat, power steering, brakes, antenna. Factory price $33.86. That's a lot of money because you can actually buy a house for $7,000 back in '56. Shipping weight 4,100 pounds. So you got a red and white interior in there, and he's got the fancy radio stuffed away in the glove box. That's smart. Keeps the stock appearance going there. A lot of attention to detail on that dashboard. Nice top. Actually, if you spray a little bit of pledge on those windows, it keeps them from yellowing out, believe it or not. Probably that 303 protectant, marine grade stuff would work too. Make those plastic windows last 10 years practically. Then you can just replace the window versus the top. You can see the pipes on the back.
I like that flag on that hat.
Yeah. Well, I got a bunch of them at home. Got a 40-footer flying up there.
You got a veteran in your family?
Huh?
You got a...
Oh yeah, a bunch of them.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah. Sons of the American Revolution too.
Yeah.